Hello everyone, welcome to Shivi Study Education. So in this video I am going to discuss about the list of international organizations where India is a member. ये एक यूनिक टॉपिक है जिसमें मैं सिर्फ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ उन इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के बारे में जिसमें इंडिया मेंबर है. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम लिस्ट देखेंगे कि कौन कौन से ऐसे इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जिसमें इंडिया मेंबर है. देन हम फर्दर उसके बारे में डिस्कस भी करेंगे. Okay, so let's begin with the topic. So this is the list of international organization where India is a member country. So ये पूरी हमारी लिस्ट है जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि इंडिया किस किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मेंबर कंट्री है. जो कि है AALCO, that is Asian African Legal Consultative Organization, ADB, एशियन, BIMSTEC, ब्रिक्स, FAO. एंड इसमें हमारे कुछ ग्रुप्स भी हैं जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं फ्रॉम द एग्ज़ाम पर्सपेक्टिव. सो ये ग्रुप्स हैं ग्रुप ऑफ 15, ग्रुप ऑफ 20, ग्रुप ऑफ 24, ग्रुप ऑफ 77. इन्हें याद रखना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड नेक्स्ट IAEA, IBRD, ICAO, IMF, IMO, SAARC, यूनाइटेड नेशन, यूनेस्को, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, WTO. Next, we will further discuss in detail these international organizations. So first we will discuss about AALCO, that is Asian African Legal Consultative Organization, which was established on 15 November 1956 and its headquarters in New Delhi, and its president name is Dr. Augustine Philippine Mejia. And next one is ADB, that is Asian Development Bank. It was established on 19 December 1966 and India is a founding member of this organization, and its headquarters in Manila, that is in Philippines, and its president name is Masatsugu Asakawa. And the third one is Asian Regional Forum, that is the Association of Southeast Asian Nation, which was founded on 8th August 1966, and India became a dialogue member in 1995, and its headquarters in Jakarta, that is in Indonesia, and its secretary general is Lim Jock Hoi. And the next one is that is the fourth one, BIMSTEC, that is Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, which was founded in June 1997, and its headquarters in Dhaka, that is in Bangladesh, and its secretary general is Ambassador Muhammad Sahidul Islam. And the fifth one is BRICS, which is made up of 5 countries. Those countries names are Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, and it was founded in June 2006, and India is a founding member of this organization, and its headquarters in Shanghai, which is in China, and its president name is Marcos Parado. And the sixth one is FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations, which was established in 16 October 1945, and its headquarters in Rome, that is in Italy, and India is a founding member of this organization, and its director general is Qiu Dongyu, which belongs to China. Our seventh organization is related to group of 15, which was established in September 1989, and its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland, and India is a founding member of this also. And eighth one is G20, that is the group of 20, which was established in September 1999, and its headquarters in Cancun, Mexico, and India is a founding member of this organization, and its chairman name is King Salman bin. And the ninth one is group of 24, which was founded in 1971, and its headquarters in Washington DC, that is in US, and its leader name is Ken Ofori Atta. And next one is related to group of 77, which was established on 15 June 1964, and its headquarters in New York, and its president name is Muhammad Abbas. And the 13th one is IAEA, that is International Atomic Energy Agency, which was established in 1957, and its headquarters in Vienna, that is in Austria, and its director general name is Rafael Mariano Grossi and Yukiya Amano. And the 14th one is IBRD, that is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, which is also known as World Bank, which was established in 1944, and its headquarters in Washington DC, US, and its president name is David R. Malpass. Now the 15th one is ICAO, that is International Civil Aviation Organization, which was established in 1944 and its headquarters in Montreal, Canada, and India is an elected member of this organization and its president name is Salvatore Ciacentano. And the 16th one is IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, and it was established in December 1945 and its headquarters in Washington DC, US, and India is a founding member of this as well, and its managing director name Kristalina Georgieva. And the 17th one is IMO, International Maritime Organization, which was established in March 1948 and its headquarters in London, that is in UK, and India is an elected member of this organization and its Secretary General name is Kitak Lim, who belongs to South Korea. Now the 18th one is SAARC, that is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, which was established in December 1987 and its headquarters in Kathmandu, that is in Nepal, and India is a founding member of this organization and the Secretary General name is Esla Verakun. And the 19th one is United Nations, which was established in October 1945 and its headquarters in New York, that is in US, and India is a founding member of this organization and its Secretary General name is Antonio Guterres. And the 20th one is UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, which was established in November 1946 and its headquarters in London, UK, and India is a founding member of this organization as well, and its Director General name is Audrey Azoulay. So the next one is WHO, that is World Health Organization, which was established in April 1948 and India is a founding member of this organization and its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland, and there are total 3 heads under this organization. One is Tedros Adhanom, which is Director General. Second one is Soumya Swaminathan, which is Deputy Director General, and the third one is Jane Ellison, which is Deputy General, Director General, and the last one is 22nd WTO, World Trade Organization, which was established in January 1995 and India is a founding member of this as well, and its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland, and its Director General name is Roberto Azevedo. So that's all for today's guys. I hope you would find this video very helpful. So thanks for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Shivish Study Education. Bye bye.